What? A video conference tutorial? Oh, I don't need that. That's what you think. You just open the computer, press the link for the conference, start the video camera, and go. Well, yes, technically. But still, how about some useful tips for a better look and a more confident appearance in front of this little tiny lens? Let's start with your lighting. If you can, use natural light. If you're inside, try to place your workstation in front of a window so the daylight can hit your face evenly. Otherwise, find an alternative light source, such as a small lamp or maybe a professional ring light. And place it right behind your camera/computer. It is self-explanatory that your light source should never come from behind you, since you would only become a dark silhouette. Your eye level. Always place your computer in line with your eyes so that you don't have to look down or up, but always straight forward. By the way, it is also ergonomically the best position for your screen. So, if you have to sit at home at your dining room table for your video conference, bump up your notebook, just use some books, or invest in a little notebook stand. You're sound. Most modern computers and phones have a pretty decent microphone. If you're planning a more professional presentation, maybe with a couple of hundred viewers, you can get yourself one of those lavalier or directional mics. If you're sharing a room with other people, be considerate and use a headset. I think particularly men like those big bulky headsets with microphones and they feel like a helicopter pilot. Your backdrop. People, always think about your background. Nothing should distract from your speech. No one wants to see your dirty laundry. Your family portraits are off limit. And coworkers don't appreciate playing an unknowing part in your live video. Try to avoid backdrop software, since it can be very distracting as well. Try to find a neutral location, maybe a plain wall. If you must, an organized bookshelf. By the way, did you know there are companies that rent out smart books solely as a video conference backdrop? That's funny. Always try to sit up straight, no slouching, and don't get too close to the camera. It just looks weird. Little side note, not only your background, but also your outfit can be distracting. Try to avoid small and crazy patterns and prints. Depending on your camera, they can flicker and annoy. When you are talking, try to look straight into the camera. It is harder than it sounds because we get easily distracted by our own image on the screen, so we tend to look there. Talk to the tiny little people inside your lens. And lastly, try to smile once in a while, even if it seems unnatural since you're all by yourself, but people see you through the camera. And the more relaxed, the more professional and confident you look, the more successful your points will come across. Try it.